This is AQA GCSE chemistry. It's a separate science topic, so dual award students do not need to cover this. And this takes us to the end of the bonding topic. It's part 12, and we're going to look at some applications of nanoparticles. There are some things for you to try. Pause the video, see how you do. So it's really important that you're able to use information provided so that you can think about uses and benefits of nanoparticles while also considering some of the risks. And there are a couple of examples here. They're not exhaustive, but we can see that glass you might coat with titanium oxide. It will break down dirt on the window, so self-cleaning windows. We also know that in modern sunscreens they are using nanoparticles to make them much more effective at absorbing UV radiation. And also, if we think about moisturizers and face creams, if they're smaller nanoparticles, they can be absorbed much more effectively, and that might mean that they work more effectively. Now, we're going to take a look at some possible advantages and risks that you would associate with nanoparticles. See what you can come up with and then review. So in terms of benefits, there is the fact that you need much smaller amounts. If you've got a larger surface area or a higher surface area to volume ratio, you're going to need a smaller sample of it to be effective. And that's going to lower the costs industrially. Now, we also know that that will increase the rate of reaction. That can be a positive thing if we can make things happen faster. But if we take a look at the potential risks, the rate of reaction could be too great. If we're talking about something catalyzing a reaction, could it make it explosive? We also have to consider that we have got possible accumulation of nanoparticles in the environment. Silver is one of the most common nanoparticles. It's actually used as an antibacterial agent, but is that silver going to build up the silver nanoparticles and accumulate within animals and cause an impact with them? And we also don't know what the impact might be on us about if we've got nanoparticles, are we ingesting them into the lungs? Are they going to have an impact on our body? Now, there are lots of scientists that will say there are very, very low risks in these areas, but they are the potential risks that you might want to consider. That takes us to the end of this section and the end of the bonding topic. Thank you for listening, and goodbye.